In an unexpected twist, Apple has just launched the iPad Pro with the all-new M4 chip, leaving the tech world stunned. What's so surprising? The M4 chip had yet to appear in any of Apple's Mac products, no MacBooks, no Mac Minis, and not even an iMac. Yet, Apple's flagship tablet is the first to get its hands on the powerhouse chip. This move is a clear indication that Apple isn't just thinking about tablets as simple consumption devices anymore, they're looking to turn them into true, high-performance machines. The M1 chip, released in 2020, was already a major industry disruptor. Apple's shift from Intel's x86 chips to ARM-based silicon made waves, bringing better efficiency, incredible battery life, and stunning benchmark performance. When Apple dropped the M1 into the iPad Pro in 2021, it was a jaw-dropper. The tablet now had desktop-class power. However, there was one big problem: iPadOS wasn't ready to make full use of all that performance. Even though the M1 could handle professional-grade video editing, 3D rendering, and more, iPadOS often felt a step behind, unable to leverage the power to its fullest. Now, with the M4 chip in the iPad Pro, Apple's message is clear: it's all about pushing the limits of what a tablet can do. The M4 brings a new level of processing power, higher GPU performance, and faster memory, essentially giving the iPad Pro capabilities that rival some high-end MacBooks and desktops. But the big question is, will iPadOS keep up? While the hardware is now more powerful than ever, the software needs to evolve to truly tap into this power, and that's still a bit of an open question. What does this mean for the rest of Apple's product lineup? It's clear that Apple is doubling down on the iPad Pro as a professional tool. This could be a huge move to challenge the idea that only laptops and desktops are capable of handling serious creative work. But it also raises the issue of whether Apple will eventually shift to a unified OS for all its devices or continue to treat the iPad as a unique product category. One thing is certain: the iPad Pro with the M4 chip is one of the most powerful tablets ever made. But for now, the real challenge will be whether iPadOS can catch up and make the most of this powerhouse.